Welcome back, babes. Today's Sunday tutorial, I am showing you guys a super fresh, pretty makeup look that's perfect for summertime. That just kind of brings out your skin, makes it super glowy, and gives you a pop of color on your lips, which is such an easy way to play up your makeup look. So today I'm going to be going through my Urban Decay makeup drawer, starting with the Urban Decay Quick Fix Spray, which is a great way to prep your skin before makeup. Using this spray, it kind of just freshes up your skin. And I'm using the Optical Illusion Complexion Primer. So I know you guys are gonna ask, this is not a sponsored video. I'm literally just going through my Urban Decay drawer. So I'm gonna be testing out a lot of the products, and I'm gonna tell you guys which products I really love and which are just okay. So the Urban Decay foundation, the Naked Skin foundation, is one of my favorite foundations. I used to use this all the time when I worked on set, especially on models, because it just looks so natural on. And they actually just launched their new Naked Skin foundation. So if you love that super natural look, this is a great option for you. This is a very lightweight, kind of second skin-like texture, so it looks very natural on. For concealer, I'm using the Urban Decay Color Correcting Fluid in the pink shade. This is a color corrector, so it's more of a color correcting concealer rather than just a regular concealer. So you can see that little bit of a pink undertone. It's really brightening underneath my eyes. I love this, especially if you have really dark circles. It works great. And then I'm going in with the more yellow tone, and that yellow tone, it's going to really brighten up the under eye area. That's kind of the difference between just using regular concealers and color correctors. They're really great for getting rid of any discoloration on your face. And then over that, I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer. So do you need to use 3 concealers? No, definitely not. But I just wanted to show you guys all the products that they have. Their color correctors are great. I definitely recommend them. For powder, I'm using the Naked Skin Loose Finishing Powder. So as you guys can tell, Urban Decay has this collection which is called the Naked Skin. It has the concealers, the foundations, the powder. It's all about just beautiful natural finishes to really make your skin look naked, natural. Next, I'm using the Urban Decay Beached Bronzer. Out of all of the Urban Decay products, this bronzer is hands down my favorite product from everything. It has a beautiful tone to it. Because it is matte, there's no shimmer to it, so you can literally just apply it all over your face for that super sun-kissed glow. Okay, moving away from Urban Decay a little bit, I'm using the Buxom Plump Line Lip Liner in the shade Infrared. If you follow me on Instagram, if you're not, you definitely should. It's at Eman. But I've been talking non-stop about these lip liners, you guys. It's literally all I've been using lately because they're just so easy to use. They are these big, fat, chunky pencils, and I use them to line my entire lip and then fill in, and they just look so good on. They have such a nice creamy matte texture. They come in so many beautiful shades. So these lip liners have been my go-to from Buxom. I use that to line, and then over that, I'm using the Urban Decay Beached Lipstick in the shade 100 Degrees, and it's this beautiful kind of in-between color. It's in between a red and an orange and a pink. It kind of has little hints of all 3 shades. And then to finish off the lip look, I'm using the Urban Decay Ultra Nourishing Lip Gloss in the shade Streak, which is kind of like a nude gloss. And it made my lips look nice and glossy, which I totally wanted for this look. I'm going back with that beached bronzer. I'm going to put the shades of everything down below in the description box, so make sure you check it out. For highlighter, I'm using an oldie but a goodie. This is from Smashbox. This was their Vlada makeup artist collection, so I'm pretty sure these highlighters are discontinued. I just thought it was such a pretty tone for this makeup because it kind of has like a little bit of a pink undertone to it. The idea of this makeup was just to be super summery, super fresh, super natural, but just have this pop of color on the lips. So I literally use this highlighter all over my face to just give like a beautiful glowy dew to my skin. It was perfect for this look. Moving on to the eyes, I'm using the second product from Urban Decay that I really, really love. This is a product I've been using for years and I definitely recommend. It is their 24/7 Glide On Pencil. These liners are so good. They're probably some of my favorite eyeliners. I love that they are waterproof. That's why they're called 24/7. But they're super creamy and they literally glide right on. So a lot of times waterproof pencils can be like really sticky and they're hard to use, but these are just super creamy. So they go on very easily. You have a little bit of time to work with them at the beginning so you can smudge them out if you want. But then once it sets and it does not budge. So if you tend to have a lot of like creasing when it comes to your liner, this is a great option for you. I use that just to line my top lash line, and now I'm just gonna add mascara and lashes. I'm using the mascara that I've been loving, and I told you guys about this before. It's from Hourglass. It is the Caution Mascara. I don't really care about mascaras, to be honest, because I find that most of them are all the same, but this one is actually really, really good. For lashes, I'm throwing on the Ardell 113 lashes, which are like extra long, but they are just super flirty and pretty for this look. And that is it, guys. So easy, super fresh, natural, pretty for summer. I love this makeup. It's really all about just glowy skin, a little bit of a pop on the lip, and just flirty lashes, and you are good to go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys love this tutorial. And if you are new to my channel, it would mean the world to me if you subscribed. And make sure you leave me a comment below and let me know what you think, and check out all the products as well. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I love you, and I will see you next week with a brand new tutorial.